Hi, I'm Howie Gondry, a guitar player from London, and today I'm going to go over some of the aspects of recording audio into your DAW. So, as you can see here, I've already started a tune here, and I've got a drum pattern here on a virtual drum machine that came with the DAW. A virtual synthesizer that also came with the DAW is going to be playing the bass line. And I've just set a cycle length of 8 bars for those parts there, and it'll just loop around that for those 8 bars. So the next thing I want to do is record some guitar. So I've already got some audio tracks. I've got a little recording template thing I've set up here already. Audio track you create by coming up here, pressing this plus button, specify audio as the type. You've got a choice here. Seeing as I'm only playing one guitar, I thought I'd set it to mono here. Got the choice here, as you can see, mono stereo surround. Leave it on mono. I'm going to plug it into input 1 on the front of my interface here, so I've set it to input 1, and it's coming out of the main outs 1 and 2 again, the stereo outs. Press create and it creates the channel. The track rather, and I'm going to use track 1 here. And in order to record my guitar, I've come over here and found a third-party plugin. Here's what it looks like. Got my sound set up here, a virtual amplifier. Virtual valve amplifier, or based on a valve amplifier style thing, and I can record enable the track without worrying about feedback because it is as part of the DAW here. Yes, from a third party, from another company, but I've installed it into this system, so it's right inside the computer here, no microphone to start feeding back or anything. So I can record enable the track and then go to the front of my interface and gradually turn it up. A little bit better to my ears here. And there it is, about 3/4 when I hit it hard. That's about right, I think. But like I say, the meter is not as accurate a guide as your own ears. That's about sounding right. So I've set a cycle length up here. I can do that by just click and hold and then drag along to the length I want. 8 bars is fine for me. I can switch that on and off down here, or there's a key command, C for cycle, on and off. I think I'm ready to go, except for the very important fact here that I need to name the track. Guitar week 2. So maybe just one last thing to do before I go into record, and that's just to set a count in here. So I come down here where there's this metronome symbol, click and hold, metronome settings, here we go, recording settings, if I press that, counting, already set to 1 bar, if I press there's a drop down menu and I can extend that to as many bars. I'll just leave it at 1, and that means I'll just hear a click of 4 before I go into record. So let's just do that. Press R. So you will have noticed that I only recorded 4 bars of this guitar part here, but I can edge trim just by coming over here, and then I can grab it, option, click and drag. It's a key command for copying, and then it should loop over. So that covers some of the basics of recording audio. Thank you very much for taking the time out to watch this. I welcome your comments and suggestions, and I will do the same for you. Thank you very much.